A warm welcome to you all in the valedictory session of Recent Advances in Control Systems 2020, being organized by the Department of Electrical Engineering, Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, Gorakhpur, and sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy. I also welcome Chairman, Recent Advance in Control System 2020 and Head Electrical Engineering Department, Professor A.K. Pandey sir, who has always been the motivation behind organizing this program. Senior most professor of the department, Professor K.G. Upadhyay sir, and senior most professor of the institute as well, and whose last time solutions are always astute. And whenever we fall any problem, we contact sir, and this is sure enough to guarantee for the success of the program. Professor V.K. Giri sir, who had been the only speaker from our department side, and also whose the kind of working style is the worth copying, and always try to copy him and to do whenever we try to organize or whenever we try to do some good objective. The guest of honor, Dr. Shyam Kamal sir, Assistant Professor, Indian Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University, and the speaker of the final session, and whose talk has been always fantastic, and that can be seen through the chat box is now full with the excellent talk. Thanks and thanks. There are many professors who have joined with us, and they are also writing. They are very much impressed, and they are asking for the contact details and all. Professor A.N. Tiwari sir, Professor S.K. Srivastava sir, Professor K.P. Singh sir, Dr. Prabhakar Tiwari, Dr. L.B. Prasad sir, Dr. Naudip sir, and Lieutenant K.B. Sahai, all the colleagues of my department, and the coordinator of the faculty development program, this RACES 2020, Dr. Shekhar Yadav, whose hard work is the result of that. You all are witness to that. My organizing team members, especially Brajesh, Varsa, and Santosh behind the background. My dear participants, finally, we are now at a junction to conclude this faculty development program with this valedictory session. So first of all, I would like to present a very short report, very brief report on this faculty development program. So before I go to the schedule, let me share one thing, how this all started. My colleague Dr. Shekhar Yadav was out of station, and he is handling the AICTE portal of our university. So it was the last day. He phoned me that there is a chance we can apply to this Atal Academy faculty development program and all. And this was the first of kind we have seen, first ever we have seen such thing. So I was wondering, since it was the last day and there were so many things, file has to move and it has to be get approved, so to proceed further. So I was roaming around the State Bank. So I recall Professor K.G. Upadhyay sir, and I contacted him. I asked him I have to do this thing. So he very promptly reciprocated to this and guided me with all that our civil engineering department has already prepared that file and go to see that file. I immediately went to the civil engineering department, and the civil people were kind enough. They immediately hand over that file. I just copied that file, and fortunately, with the cooperation of our head of the department, it all approved on the same day. And finally, the civil engineering people couldn't get approved by the AICTE, but we fortunately got this program. So our thought was to conduct a control system program purely on the control, and to have the speakers on only control. So that we tried, and the little bit we succeed, I hope so. So with the formal report of the FDP is concerned, we started the inaugural session on the 17th of this month with the presence of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor J.P. Pandey sir, who is always full of energy and motivated us to do such things. It was also witnessed the presence of Atal Academy Director, Dr. Ravin Soni sir. I contacted him and he very promptly agreed to our proposal and gave his valuable time that you all have seen. The first session was a very prominent person, that Professor Radhakant Padi from IISc Bangalore. Now you can see every time he is giving some message to this program, and the kind of contribution he has given to this FDP is worth appreciable, and the kind of person, the great person who has joined and so easily available, that I am very proud of that. I am very happy with that. The second session was by Dr. Lalit Singh, Reliability Analysis of Control System, Scientist, NPCIL, BAR, Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. On the second day, session third, the talk on the robust stability analysis was given by Dr. Saurabh Patra, Associate Professor, IIT Kharagpur, Electrical Engineering Department, IIT Kharagpur, and the session was followed by the session of Dr. Shyam Kamal sir, who is with us with the second and final session. It was on PID control through sliding surface. Then the final session was from our department by Professor V.K. Giri sir on the measurement and instrumentation. So on the third day, the session 6 and 7 was taken over by Dr. Manas Kumar Bera, Assistant Professor, Electrical and Instrumentation Engineering Department, NIT Silchar. On the robust slide, he first introduced the event trigger, basics of event trigger, and then in the second lecture, he covered the event triggered sliding mode control. The third session, final session of the day was concluded by Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, Associate Professor, Electrical Engineering Department from IIT BHU, and he again talked on the robust control systems. On the fourth day, Professor Subi Purwar blessed us with his nonlinear control and application talk, and this talk was, my dear participant, I am again happy to share that this was joined by our Professor Radhakant Padi sir, and he listened to that lecture, and you are witness to that. Even he answered for the zero dynamics after that. And that day only, he in fact asked a window for that, and he introduced before you the AC DOS, the Society Control System Society, and I can see in the group WhatsApp group that many of you have joined this Control System Society. The second session of the fourth day was on nonlinear optimization, and that was influenced by the chalk and talk, and it was by Dr. Devdas Ghosh from Mathematical Sciences, Indian Institute of Technology, Varanasi. And the last, the talk, we enter into some kind of intelligent control, and that talk was taken by Professor Nishal Verma sir from IIT Kanpur, and he talked on the deep learning. On the final day, not more to say, it was started with the fuzzy control system, and it was from very remote area of Uttarakhand, Pithoragarh, and it was taken by Dr. V.P. Joshi sir, and he very nicely and with the appropriate pace covered all the basics of the fuzzy logic and ended with the fuzzy control systems. The tension so developed was finally relieved in the session 3 by Mr. Anurag Singh with the topic as stress management, and who is the senior art of living faculty. And now we are in the final session, just before the valedictory, which ended with the fractional order control by Dr. Shyam sir. So I thank from my bottom of my heart all the speakers who all came at the right time, and all the sessions were so good enough that we myself also learned a lot out of that. Though I was busy in some managerial work, still whenever I find a window, whenever I saw, and so many things I gathered. I hope all the participants have enjoyed a lot. So that is all about the summary of this faculty development program. Now I can one by one invite for the feedback and interaction session from the participant side. So you can write in the chat box. Once you'll write, I'll call your name. Then you please unmute yourself and then speak. Maybe you can open your video as well.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Mr. Sushant Nandan, always see in the question answer session. So we remember your name. So now you can unmute yourself and please
yes,
provide
sir.
us the feedback.
Yes, hello.
Yes,
This
yes,
is
sir.
hello.
Yes, sir. This is Sushant. Am I audible? Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. This
You
is
are audible,
Sushant.
sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. This is Sushant from Ramravadi Institute of Technology, Nehru, Navi Mumbai. So here I would like to share the feedback for this workshop. So I really enjoyed this workshop, and it has been insightful, and I like the way it was delivered by the various renowned speakers, and I totally enjoyed and learned a lot in such an online environment. So it was very helpful for the researcher who are working in a control area. So thank you to the organizers, and especially thanks to Dr. Avdesh Kumar sir, Dr. Shekhar Yadav sir, and distinguished eminent speakers from various renowned institutions. So, and again, I would like to share here. So also special thanks to the great person, respected Dr. Radhakant Padi sir, for introducing automatic control and dynamic optimization society, and given a chance to register as a member for the same. So the content of this workshop was very excellent. So thank you once again to the organizers. So thank you very much. That's all from my side. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes, sir.
Sushant.
Yes, sir. This is Noor from IIT Lucknow. Sir, I am the currently research scholar in electrical engineering department. Sir, I am audible to yes, sir.
Yes, you are audible. Noor Alam, you please go ahead.
Yeah, sir. Sir, this is the one of the best FDP on recent advance in control system I have got to in my starting research scholar. Sir, it was so hygienic, satisfying, motivational, informative, and incredible informative, enlightening to us.
Thank you, Mr. Noor Alam.
Thanks to who were incredible. I really appreciate you, sir, both of you and whole organizing team of Triple M UT Core from the core of my heart, sir. Thanks for a great seminar, great such FDP program. Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Noor Alam. I would request the participants to be precise while giving the feedback, because also I hope you all have been exhausted in these 5 days. You attended, your patient hearing was worth.
It was
Hello, sir.
excellent job, sir. It was excellent job. Enjoyed the update, sir. Totally, it's a humorous and down the earth presentation is awesome, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello, sir. This is Shubham Mishra from Lucknow, Shri Ram Sarup Memorial University. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, yes,
Hello.
you are audible. Shubham Mishra, you.
Yes, sir. These sessions are very interactive and informative. I enjoyed all the sessions very much. I am thankful to you all for organizing such FDP. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shubham Mishra. So, anyone else?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
This
Yes,
is Ravi Shankar from
this.
Bits Pilani, Goa, sir. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes.
Kamaraju.
Yes, sir. Oh. No, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
I'm audible.
You
Good
are
evening to
audible.
organizing committee and coordinators, sir. You are conducting very informative sections, as well as you have covered all the all areas in the control system region. I am Kamaraju Vachalapu, Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, sir. I learned more from your workshop, sir. Again, thankful to you all, organizing committee as well as coordinators, Avdesh Kumar sir and Sakri Yadav sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kamaraj sir. I have seen you in the many times question and answer session. So 3 sessions were there from the measurement and instrumentation, and then this was the optimization, and finally some intelligent control. So it was sort of we thought the control as our softy, white softy, and then putting some vanilla and flavors with the measurement, with the intelligent control, and with this optimization. So these things always go in tandem with the control. So always the control people require this optimization. The measurement is in fact the first step towards the control, and intelligent is of course the objective. Whatever we want to control, the final target is to achieve to go to the. It should be intelligent enough. So
thank you, sir.
If there is any.
Coordinating very well to the participants, all participants. You are coordinating very well, sir. As well as Sakri Yadav sir also very coordinating well. All the time you are putting messages regularly, and everything will be very good, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, can you hear me?
Pooja Rai, who is
Sir,
just introduce yourself and then you speak precisely.
Sir, I am Ishita Sharma from Gandhi Polytechnic, Muzaffarnagar. Sir, actually, I joined this this entire FDP because I'm very much interested in attending this FDP from this university. My brother has studied from you, sir. His name is Sharan, and all the topics covered in control systems, I felt that the entire session was very informative, and I'm very much thankful to you, sir.
Thank you, Ishita. I can remember you are the 200th candidate of this faculty development program.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. So actually, we got huge application. It was around more than 275. So initially we approved, but after the 150 candidates, we become very choosy, and we chose only the candidates who belongs to either electrical engineering, if their choice is on the control system. So the last participant, those who have not admitted, so that's no worry. All the sessions have been recorded and it will be uploaded in the YouTube channel. So the link will be shared and you can see. Our institute will also be sharing on our website, and also you can go through the AICT portal. There itself you can find all the links, and you can whatever the even if the sessions you have missed, that you can watch. Now, is there any other participant who want to share? Otherwise, we will enter into the further proceedings. You just write in the chat box.
Good evening, sir. Good evening,
Yes.
sir. This is Supriya from Triple MUT, Gorakhpur. Hello, sir. Sir, is it audible?
Yes, you are audible, Supriya. You go ahead.
Sir, I would like to express my gratitude to all the organizing committee who worked very hard in this pandemic situation to provide us this opportunity and to share the knowledge and to explore us this recent advancement in control system. And thank you once again to all the speakers and the organizing committee. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Supriya. So with this, now I would like to enter into the further proceedings. So in this sequence, I would like to first invite Dr. Shyam Kamal sir to say a few words.
So, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are perfectly audible.
So actually means I have already talked a lot. Means I think that I have talked 4 hours in this whole recent advances in control systems. And I know Shekhar as well as Avdesh ji. And so when they have invited, means I have accepted the invitation, and this is very great experience because I found that lot of people are asking very relevant questions, and by seeing the question, you are able to understand that people are able to understand your message or not. And I found that means several participants is able to understand the ideas of control system. And actually means I always trying to make control community stronger, particularly inside India, because that is already means well established in the Europe as well as the USA. But still we are struggling inside India because only 2 institutes are dominating in this direction, particularly IIT Bombay or some part of IISc Bangalore. But what is my viewpoint? Control system should be dominate everywhere or somehow, because control is almost everywhere. So if you take any branch, computer science, you can take about mechanical system, electrical system, electronic system. So control is everywhere. So somehow a huge team of control is required everywhere. And I hope that in coming years, we are able to create such kind of environment inside India such that we are able to generate several kind of implementable control. Implementable control means we are able to develop those kind of control technique which can be useful for the agriculture, space science, and after that other healthcare areas. So that is my main motive. So with this motive, I again like to thank Dr. Avdesh Kumar or Dr. Shekhar and whole team which is behind this workshop, and actually all the approving agency, because they are now kind enough to give fund to the several institute, and they are able to organize such kind of nice or actually some kind of meaningful workshop in direction of several different areas. So with this remark, I am going to thank you all, and next time I hope that you are again going to conduct such kind of workshop, and we will invite some other speakers from the outside of India also. So 50% speakers from the outside India, 50% of speaker from India, and after that we will present the same kind of workshop. So with this remark, I am going to tell again, thank you very much, Dr. Shekhar and Dr. Avdesh and all other organizers. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. And I especially thanks to you with your zeal to make the control community stronger in this region also, and hope with your kind cooperation will do a little bit in that direction. So in the sequence, I would like to invite Professor V.K. Giri sir to share some of his views in this faculty development program, though he has delivered a very useful, informative lecture on the measurement and instrumentation, and he is the only speaker from our triple MUT side.
Hello. Good evening to all. Head of Department, Professor A.K. Pandey, Chairman of this conference, Professor K.G. Upadhyay, Professor Srivastava, and I think some of the faculty members are on the dais, and of the dais online, they all are here. So, first of all, I would like to extend my congratulations to the head electrical engineering department and the organizers or coordinators of this seminar, especially Dr. Odesh Kumar and Dr. Shekhar Yadav. Really, this conference gave me a feeling. Actually, I was associated to this 5-day program in 3 capacity. One, because I belong to electrical engineering department of MMMUT, so I have to be there as a member of organizing committee. So that is one role. Another, I was one of the speaker also, and then I attended also almost all the session. I missed some few because of my scheduled lecture classes. So I enjoyed all these 3 participation, and what I felt, the manner in which it has been organized is really worth to copy, because in this pandemic since last 6-7 months, I have also seen so many seminars and webinars and all, but such a nice organization of the event have not been seen. The people, though it's virtual, but it was very close to the real, and I think the other participants, those right now 64 are there, and as he told or informed that it is around 200. So you all will agree with that though it's a virtual, but this is very, very near to the close. And in some of the aspects, I can rate this better than the online, because there some other activity has to be performed, and because of that we are having some other disturbances which may have disturbed the deliberation. All the sessions has been nicely organized, and punctuality, because it is all about the control, and control was very good. Control over the event throughout the 5 days, through these 5 days. So, and the credit goes to, no doubt, these 2 professor, Dr. Odesh and Dr. Shekhar. So I once again congratulate the convener and chairman as well. Of course, the whole credit goes to this. So once again, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to participate in 3 different ways. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words of appreciation that always energize us. Now, in the sequence, I would like to request Professor K.G. Upadhyay, sir, the senior most faculty of the institute, to bless with his kind words.
Chairman, Online Faculty Development Program on Recent Advances in Control Systems, Professor A.K. Pandey, Head Electrical Engineering Department, and dignitaries on the dais, all participants, Dr. Syam Kamal. I come across that during this FDP, many deliberations by eminent speakers were there, and also as said by Dr. Avdesh, that more than the required applications were there, and they had screened it, and then only 200 applications were allowed to participate in this FDP. So really it was a very good sign, and in the way it was organized, it really established a milestone in the series of the conference, seminars, webinars, and FDPs. So it gives a good sign to the working capability of the organizing team as well as to the university as well. I came across many things during the FDP were on, and I could also realize and see that the sincerity, discipline, and time-bound activities which took place in the FDP was really appreciable. And really, I would like to appreciate for this the whole team, the chairman, and then the two giants, Dr. Avdesh and Dr. Sekhar, and their team, that they took the challenge and they really completed it very nicely. So we are really very energetic, and we feel that the team to come in future is very good and very challenging. So challenge taking team. So really it is a, I would personally like to say that it is giving a good flavor to our department, electrical engineering department. And all the youngsters who are in the panel, who are online connected with this FDP, should know that the electrical engineering department is really doing well, and we hope that we will do better, still better in future. So I would again like to appreciate the team, Dr. Avdesh, Sekhar, and over and above the chairman of the FDP. So with this, I wish my all the best to all the participants who joined in any way with this FDP. This FDP will really help all the participants directly or indirectly in their future to come. So thank you for inviting me in the valedictory session. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, sir. Even your presence guarantees to the success of the program, but your the words added to the you can say flavor to our energy. Thank you very much, sir, for all your kind words. We'll remain obliged for this. With a note, I would, before I request our chairman of the FDP, I would like to put a note that during these 5 days, we hardly, since we are organizing this program in the ITRC, Arvet Hall, Central Seminar Hall of the university, and it is just beside our electrical engineering department. So we hardly went to the department, and though there were a lot of assignments in the department, but our chairman and the head of the department was kind enough during these 5 days. We haven't given assigned a single job, so we totally focused on our this organizing this FDP, and that was the, in fact, the mystery behind this. So we haven't hardly gone to the department, and thank you, sir, very much for all this. You take care of all those small things. So thank you for all. But now I request our chairman of the FDP and the head electrical engineering department, Professor A.K. Pandey, sir, to share his views at this forum.
Thanks, Dr. Avdesh. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
evening to all of you, and I welcome so first of all, I welcome to all of you who are participating in this session, especially Dr. Kamal, who is our who has just delivered his lecture and part of. So, going ahead, first of all, I would like to tell that the effort of our coordinators who have put their efforts so much. I was closely observing this FDP. Our coordinators starts with the good morning in the morning, and from there they used to take all the problems, all the activity, and whatever the things are there, giving the topic that is delivered today. And if there is any problem during the say presentation, I was closely monitoring part. Since it was the online program, so there was the glitches of the network. So how to remove the glitches within 5 to 7 minutes? I have seen that there are coordinators have given for that, and they have shifted some. They have made the arrangement of the YouTube so that every the participant was part of the program. They can quickly launch lectures delivered. So they are very attentive during the entire program of the 5 days. They were attentive. So for that, they really deserve for their efforts. So as far as this FDP is concerned, I have put on because I have already said that the speakers from research, and one of the speakers, as the coordinator just said, that is for the stress management, because as the coordinator has planned the schedule, it was daily, I think, 4 to 5 hours lectures. So it was really exhaustive and tiring. So how the stress has to be managed, that part was very heavily taken care by the coordinator. Planned that one for stress was given. So as some of the speakers have said, that this was very good for the control people who are taking the control, but I slightly from that. It's not only for the control people who are taking the research in the area of the control. Say without the control, you can't do any research. That I have already said during the inaugural session also. That during the control has to be there for either you go for the power system, you go for the power electronics, stable energy. Everywhere the control is having its prime importance. Without the control system, you can't go ahead with your research. So that and whatever the lecture delivered, so that was almost all the recent areas on to it. So our coordinator says we have kept the test for you. I hope most of the that the coordinator will tell it better. Most of the participants have cleared that test. I'm not very sure. So it is scheduled.
It is actually mandatory from
mandatory part of this program. So I hope at this juncture I can see the best of luck for the participants. For the test, hopefully everyone will clear it. And again, I must congratulate all the participants, all the speakers, and all other people of the department who are involved on making the program successful. All the best. Good luck.
Thank you very much, sir, for your precious words. Moving ahead, now this is a time to say goodbye, and before that, it would not be wise if we present the vote of thanks. So that vote of thanks will be presented by Dr. Shekhar Yadav, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering. Throughout this faculty development program, you have seen how hard he has worked, and from 9:30 to 5:30, almost every day, we are sitting in this hall. So, Dr. Shekhar Yadav, please.
Thank you, Dr. Avdesh sir. With the permission of Head of the Department Electrical Engineering and Chairman of RACES, it's my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks in this valedictory ceremony of 1 week faculty development program on recent advances in control system organized by Department of Electrical Engineering, Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, Gorakhpur. First of all, I would like to thank and express my deep sense of regards to Honorable Vice Chancellor, Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, Professor J.P. Pandey sir. He motivates us to organize such type of programs, and with his vast experience, we are here and we are able to conduct this FDP in this manner. I extend my sincere thanks to Chairman AICTE, Professor Anil D. Sahasbuddhe sir, and Director AICTE Atal Academy, Dr. R.K. Soni sir, for providing the opportunity to conduct this FDP on recent advances in control system. I also thank to all the speakers from various institutes, mainly from IITs and NITs, for accepting our invitation and sharing their experience in the area of control system. I pay my sincere thanks to Chairman RACES and Head Electrical Engineering Department, Professor A.K. Pandey sir, for guiding continuously throughout the program. I also extend my sincere thanks to all the faculty members of Electrical Engineering Department for their continuous motivation and for their benign presence in this valedictory ceremony. Finally, my vote of thanks would not be completed if I didn't mention the efforts of organizing team, mainly Miss Barsha Chaurasia, Mr. Brijesh Kumar, Mr. Santosh Kumar Suman, Mr. Aishwarya Narayan, Mr. Dhananjay, and many more others. And there are many more student volunteers who are directly or indirectly involved in this program. And thanks to all the participants for their patient hearing. And I would also want to include one point over here. Actually, Dr. Avdesh sir is kind enough. He is again and again saying that it goes to me, but I say that I am only the helping hand. The whole efforts has been made by him only and his team. I am only the helping hand for this, for organizing this FDP. So thank you all. Thank you for being the part of this valedictory ceremony. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Now this time for national anthem. Please stand on your place.
Jana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे